severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County in southeastern Indiana, northeastern Switzerland County in southeastern Indiana, Canton County, Boone County, northern Grant County, Gallatin County, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rising Sun to Kentucky Speedway, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Covington, Independence, Erlanger, Edgewood, Ellesmere, Fort Mitchell, Taylor Mill, Fort Wright, Walton, Crestview Hills, Lakeside Park, Rising Sun, Oak Brook, Burlington, Union, Crescent, Wilder, Warsaw, Florence, and Kentucky Speedway. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Kentucky between mile markers 56 and 77. Interstate 75 in Kentucky between mile markers 161 and 183. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is the